These are deep-rooted evolutionary behaviours. It's really important because it adds to this growing body of research that shows that these behaviours may well have an adaptive evolutionary function, and people often dismiss them as, you know, a nice to have, not necessarily important, or even a slightly taboo behaviour, and some people might feel a lot of shame in some of these non-reproductive sexual behaviours that they might be carrying out. Phylogenetic signal is basically just it's an evolutionary signal of a trait. If one species kisses, then species it's closely related to are more likely to kiss as well. It's important to check whether there's this evolutionary signal of a trait before you run an evolutionary style analysis, because if there is no signal, then it doesn't make sense to run that sort of analysis. So given that humans and Neanderthals were interbreeding and sharing saliva, and that both humans and Neanderthals are known to kiss, we suggest that it kind of tips the scales towards the idea that humans and Neanderthals might have been kissing each other. And it certainly puts a much more romantic spin on human-Neanderthal relationships. Humans aren't the only animal to kiss. It happens across the animal kingdom. You know, even we found polar bears kiss each other, and prairie dogs and albatross. That's really exciting, and I think it just puts humans kind of firmly in the middle of all the other animals, rather than this idea that we're sort of somehow above them or different.